the 2025 Mahindra Marazzo continues to serve as a reliable and comfortable MPV, offering practicality, updated features, and a balance between performance and affordability. Starting with the exterior, the new Marazzo gets a slight design refresh with a more refined front grille, LED projector headlamps, and integrated DRLs. The aerodynamic body design ensures improved fuel efficiency and road presence, while the 17-inch alloy wheels add a sporty touch. The body-colored ORVMs come with integrated turn indicators, and the rear receives LED tail lamps and a chrome garnish for a more premium feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Marazzo retains its proven 1.5-litre D15 diesel engine, delivering 121 bhp and 300 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission that offers smooth gear shifts. The fuel efficiency remains one of its highlights, averaging around 17.3 km/L, making it a budget-conscious option for long-distance travel and family usage. While an automatic variant is still awaited, the manual gearbox offers adequate control and drivability for both city and highway driving. Inside, the cabin layout is spacious and thoughtfully designed. It features a 7 or 8-seater configuration depending on the variant. The seats are wrapped in dual-tone premium fabric upholstery, with captain seat options in the mid-variant and bench seats in the base and top variants. The dashboard comes with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. There are roof-mounted AC vents for all 3 rows, ensuring optimal cooling throughout the cabin. Steering-mounted controls, a semi-digital instrument cluster, and power-adjustable ORVMs add to the driver's convenience. In terms of safety, the Marazzo offers dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, ISOFIX mounts, and a reverse parking camera in higher variants. The build quality complies with Mahindra's robust safety standards, and the MPV has previously been rated 4 stars by Global NCAP. It also includes features like impact sensing door unlock, speed sensing door lock, and a seatbelt reminder for added protection. When it comes to ride and handling, the Marazzo is built on a ladder frame chassis but still manages a surprisingly comfortable and car-like ride. The suspension is tuned for Indian roads, easily absorbing bumps and potholes. Even with a full load of passengers, it offers stable handling and minimal body roll, a rare quality in vehicles of this size and category. Moving on to pricing, the 2025 Mahindra Marazzo is available in 3 variants: M2, M4 Plus, and M6 Plus. The base M2 variant starts at approximately a superscript 114.20 lakh ex-showroom. The mid-variant M4 Plus is priced around a superscript 115.70 lakh, while the top-spec M6 Plus comes in at a superscript 116.50 lakh. On-road prices will vary by region, but all variants offer solid value for money, especially considering the generous interior space and durability. For those looking at additional accessories or features, Mahindra offers a customization pack including alloy wheels, faux leather seat covers, roof carriers, and infotainment upgrades. These can add between a superscript 125,000 to a superscript 160,000 depending on the selections. Overall, the 2025 Mahindra Marazzo remains a strong contender in the MPV segment, especially for large families, fleet operators, and those looking for a versatile and well-built people mover. Its practical design, frugal diesel engine, and emphasis on comfort make it a solid investment in its price range.